like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbia's Customs. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the center console from an F150 and a Ford Expedition. It has a couple holes where things can fall under. You're going to open the center console and pull on both sides of the console to undo the clips. Be careful to not break any of the clips or cables. To put it back on, align the clips and push back in place. I have more videos like this one on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.